So hi guys, today it was just a normal day in Minecraft. So I'm playing and I'm done with my house. As you can see, yes, I done it already. And I see a mob here, so I gonna kill it. So I use my real voice because I just want to know that I just want you to know guys that this is my real voice and then earlier in the game I just saw a pink sheep. So pink sheep, like, yeah, it's a pink sheep and it's like, where is it? Oh yeah, it's over here. Yeah, like that. This is the pink sheep guys. So I see earlier in the video, and that pink sheep is very rare guys. So I can't believe that there's